This is Project Coventry, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Coventry is painted in full gloss British racing green color with black accents all around. Coventry sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BF Goodrich tires all around. This Defender 110 also features a 6-point roll cage with rear ladder, 4 LED round spotlights in the front and 2 in the rear, along with a classic front bumper. On the inside, Project Coventry features a panoramic roof, Evander wood steering wheel, vintage gauges, 2 Recaro Orthoped heated and ventilated front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 2 bench seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal Spinnebeck leather and plate pattern stitched together in Garrett color. Coventry is powered by our LT4 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission. Coventry also features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.